skincare. A week and a half. That way I can rush home. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. Good morning. Today is Monday 17th. I've been up since 7:40, but it's currently like 10:17. I just made myself like some breakfast. I'm super hungry. Big bowl of cereal, and then I'm gonna go do my skincare. What is the plan today? I have some work to do this morning. Back to the grind. Last weekend was Eid and it was really fun. However, my heart just been heavy with everything that's going on with Palestine. It's super sad. Let's go get some work done. Hey guys, today's the next day on Tuesday the 18th, and yesterday I had to run some errands. I came back home what time did I come back home last night? Not night, I was here by like 5 p.m. probably, and then I was just lounging around the rest of the day. I'm kind of contemplating if I should beat my face and get some content out or not. I finished doing my makeup. I was filming stories for this look actually. I'm trying to be more like give you guys more tips on makeup and stuff on stories, considering I don't do that much on YouTube. I'm giving you girlies what you need. I'm gonna save it in my highlights as well so you guys can refer to it, but I just wanted to show you guys the outfits that I prepared for my shoot tomorrow. So basically I like to shoot, like I mentioned, I like shooting like 3 to 4 outfits one day out of the week. I can spread them out for like a week and a half, maybe 2 weeks if I'm pushing it. But I'm shooting this blazer that I got from a platform at Two Rivers. They have like a bunch of brands. I got this from there as well, but this is a Zara blazer, really nice black oversized blazer. That's what I have on here. I ironed all of this yesterday. Like I said, I thought the shoot was going to be today, but it's been postponed to tomorrow, so I have all this ironed. So I'm just going to take this hanger with me so that I don't, usually I'd put them like in my photo shoot bag, but then the clothes would get so creased and be like so impossible to like edit them afterwards with all the creases showing. So I just decided this is the best way, and just like, then in here is where I've put all my hijabs. I've folded them up. I've just taken, since I'm shooting mainly nude outfits, I've packed like a bunch of different shades of nude just to see what goes. Everything is done. I have my candles here, my brushes, my jewelry, more jewelry, my lippies that I gravitate towards every day, the 3 setting sprays. I've put them here because I'm trying to finish them, and these are scrunchies that was sent to me by Yaraz. So beautiful. My beauty sponges, my setting powder because it can't fit in the drawers, which I'm super sad about that. And then I have this container from Living KE. They come in like a set of 6, and I used to put cotton wool in there, but I ran out. So this is a candle that I got and I'm absolutely in love with it. It's the White Barn Mahogany Teakwood. Smells so good. And then I have this vase that I don't know if I mentioned this, but I got this from Mr. Price Home, the one at Yaya Centre. I think it was about 1500. Really love it. It could turn into a lantern if you want. You could put a candle inside, you could put plants inside. It comes with that hanging like rope on the side, but I feel like I'm going to take it off. And then I got these 4 eucalyptus plant from Home Decor, Kilimani Mall. They have an Instagram page, link it down below, but a stem goes for like 500, so I just got 2 for now. Probably fill it up as I go, but I really like how this turned out. These 2 were from Minisu. This one was from Dubois. Really love it. I wish I got 2 so it can hold a lot more of my lippies, but I have all of like my go-to MAC lip is here, my Revlon ones, my gloss, my NYX ones. This is like the cream lippy, and this is their butter gloss. This is the MAC lipstick. This is one of the products that I use every time I shoot. It just photographs beautifully. It's the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 350 Caramel. I think I'm gonna get this in my shade from Jumia. I can't wait to get another shade. If you guys live in Coast, I'm gonna leave my code on the screen to get 130 bob off, but this product is the truth. I think I am gonna call it a day, and I will see you guys tomorrow. I'm so up close. Good morning. Today is Wednesday morning. I'm rushing to Nywele Nzuri Salon to get a service done. They hit me up, so I'm gonna go check them out. I haven't been there in such a long time actually, so I'm excited to go back and see everyone there and the team and everyone. I don't know what I'm gonna do. My plan was to get waxing, but I'm not sure yet. The other option there was a facial or a manicure, pedicure. Hopefully I can get it done before like 1. That way I can rush home and start getting ready, because today is shoot day. I had to postpone yesterday. So I'm doing it today. Guys, let me know where I can find like a mount for my car. Anyway, let me just drive quickly and then I will catch you guys once I get there. We made it to Nywele. I'm already like in a robe. I decided to do the waxing and the facial. I had the facial once before and I really liked it, so I just decided why not get that instead of like the mani pedi. Almost done with the facial. I'm on like I think the second last phase, which is we just steamed, did some extractions, and now I have a face mask on, which is sort of like a hydrating mask. Skin is gonna be glowing. So once I'm done with this, I think I'm gonna head to Java, grab a drink and like something to bite, and then head home and get ready for my shoot. Today's been a very busy day, but I love starting the day with like a pamper session. Yeah, but it's not hot. Yeah, no, it's not. Oh, it's not that bad, but I have tears in my eye. People go through this willingly.
It's not like you do every time.
Yeah, I know, but oh, so it doesn't feel the same like this because this isn't that bad. Guys, we came to Barista & Co to shoot the final outfit. I just changed and this is the look that I'm shooting right now. It's just like a wrap skirt that I thrifted. I talked about this already, but this is the final look. How's your day going?
Good, alhamdulillah. How are you?
I'm good.
Are we asking the vlog? How are you guys?
Oh, you're asking them? I thought you were asking about me.
Should we ask them? So
Yeah.
said, how are you guys?
We've shot 3 outfits,
Great.
so we're very happy about that. When was the last time we did this? During Ramadan.
Yeah, before Ramadan started, wasn't it?
Is it before or was it during? It was during.
It was.
It was during. It was like during the first days of Ramadan.
It was.
Yeah.
You're right. Like the first week. But other than that, alhamdulillah, Ramadan's been good.
It's been good.
It's been fun.
It was so fun.
Other than that, we've been good, alhamdulillah.
So we're here having some fries, some drinks. You know, I don't understand how you'd have fries with like a hot coffee.
I can have anything with coffee.
Addiction.
You know what it is? I'm those people, I can have like a meal and then I'll have my tea after.
No way.
Like,
I can't do that.
there's something missing.
Like for me to have a hot drink, I have to have like ma'an or asiriya food. Or like breakfast.
Okay, when I'm
food.
having like dessert, I have to have
Yeah, me too. That makes sense. But like if I'm just like having fries in the middle of the day, I can't just be like, yeah, can I get a cup of tea?
Addiction's real.
It just, that's what it is at the end of the day.
If I don't have my coffee or the tea in the morning, I have a migraine. Like, I'm like, something is missing.
That's my dad though.
Like,
that's my dad.
there's something missing. Because the other day, actually I went without tea the whole day, and I'm so proud of myself.
No,
I went without, it's a first. What did I have? I didn't really have much that day.
And I started to just like few days
without coffee.
Yeah.
Well, I had a coffee addiction. I used to have coffee like 4 times a day, and then I stopped.
Then that's like crack.
It is
4 times a day.
4 times a day. Then I stopped, and then it was like once a day. Then I stopped for like a couple of months. I didn't even drink coffee.
Okay.
So now, like,
but you're more obsessed with tea now.
I'm more obsessed with tea. Yeah.
I understand tea. I like tea.
I like milk.
Me too, and iced tea. I like iced tea as well.
Like that. I love that. Iced tea, yeah.
I like an iced tea.
I like an iced tea.
I've been making so many iced teas lately.
I know, I've seen.
I've just been.
Who is she?
I find berries in the fridge. I'm like, what am I to that can? I didn't know.
Try it with oranges. It's really good.
I'm gonna try the next one. Oranges.
It's really nice. Try it.
But yeah, we're gonna enjoy our food. I will catch you guys later. It's a little bit later. I took off my makeup and everything. I'm currently watching my class, my Skillshare class. I'm taking the class Create a Perfect Morning Routine by Jeff Finley. I know you guys have heard me talk about Skillshare so many times. If you guys haven't heard of it, it's basically an online learning community that has so many different classes on so many different topics that you're interested in, be it creative topics, be it lifestyle topics, productivity topics, and it's pretty good. I've been enjoying my time on Skillshare. This class basically just helps you like how to create a perfect morning routine that will help set the tone for the rest of your day, and also that helps you stay active, helps you with brain fog, more confidence, and all that stuff. So I've been really enjoying this class. Procrastination, oh my god, that's another topic in its own, but I've been really been liking this class. And the good thing about Skillshare is it's only like $10, less than $10 for their premium subscription, which I feel like is so amazing, because then you get access to so much information, so much knowledge. I'm gonna leave a link in my description box down below so that the first 1,000 of you who click it will get a free trial for their premium subscription. Shout out to Skillshare for sponsoring this portion of this video. I've been a real lover of Skillshare. I've used it to learn so many things. It taught me so many things in my career, personal life, and everything. So I'd really recommend for you guys to get on it if you haven't already. So I'm just gonna go ahead, enjoy my class, and call it a day basically.